What is first person, second person, and third person pronouns in English grammar? In this video, we are going to study all these with examples. First person, it refers to speaker or writer. For example, me, mine, myself, us, ours, we. Let us see some example for better understanding. I love chocolates is the example of first person. Second person. Grammatically, second person refers to the person being addressed. It can be group of people. Example, you, yours, yourself, yourselves. The sentence is you love chocolates. Third person. In grammar, third person refers to the person other than speaker and the listener. For example, he, she, it, them, they, him, her, etc. He loves chocolates is an example of third person. Let us see a few more examples for better understanding. I play chess every day. You play chess every day. He plays chess every day. One more example. I go to school every day. You go to school every day. She goes to school every day. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.